Eto kampi mo. Ikaw. Jen. Eto. Si Jan. Si Cipriano. Eto. Pre, anong pangalan mo? Yung naka-itim. Etong number 25. Tsaka yung nakapula. Hindi. Magja-jumbo lang yan. Eto pre, si Jel. Upo ka, Jel. Jel, upo ka. Number, yung naka-blue, upo. Naka-itim. Yung nakapula. Tsaka yung naka-blue. Yung OKC. Okay, game ha? Sayang. Mukhang naninibago sa court si Domingo ah. Wait to Sagario to win. Okay, 2 points. 0-2. Malakas ang tira ni Borja. Number 25 to Jel. Kala mo, shoot na. Nakuha ni Miguel. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. John, 2 points. All 2. Borja to Sagario. No good. Rebound by Nudge. Steal by Wait, wala. Nakuha ulit yung... Okay. Nice steal by Sagario. Steal by Samarista. To Borja. To Sagario. No good. Rebound by number 25. Kala ko may magdada. Time remaining 4 minutes 55 seconds. Jan, no good. Rebound by Cipriano. Naipit. Jen, munti ka na. Nicely by Domingo. Domingo to Borja, 14 seconds. Ang lakas, sabi nga ba. 4 minutes, 25 seconds. To Miguel, pull up. Miguel, malakas. Nice D by Miguel. Two points. 4-2. Okay. Back Domingo, no good. Okay, munti kang pa. Miguel. Still. Foul daw, foul. 3 minutes, 10 seconds. No good. 2 points. 6-2. To win. 5-3-4. 5-3-5. 9.
Check.
9. Okay. Borja is still. Nice. Blanca.
Bago ata yun eh.
Hindi. 6-4.
Lagay ka na yung plate pre, Jen.
2 points.
Pero lagay ka na yung plate.
Tawag ka lang. Balance yung line-up mo na yan. Meron siya dyan spot of shooter.
Sino dyan?
Ayun no. Yung nakasipat, may sentro siya. Sentro lang talaga laro mo.
Saan ka na?
Screen. Send mo ka na. Ah. Ayun po ata. Ay, ayun.
Sa akin yun.
Okay, 2 points by Borja. 8-6. Hindi ko lang po sure. Ito yata. Ayun. Dinidribble. 2 points by John. 10-6. To Borja. Same ball. Last 58 seconds. Wade. Rebound by Borja. Borja, 2 points. 10-8. Last 45 seconds. Sakto. Reverse na Blanca. Nice lead by number 25. Nabawi ni sa Marista. To Domingo, tumama sa tuhod. May foul daw, may foul. "23 seconds, 14 to shoot." Okay, save ball. 14 seconds, okay. All 10, 13 seconds. John. No good. Guda. 2 seconds. And okay. Change score. Bitaw bola. Score all 10. Pre, para hindi ka mahirapan. Yung isa, pwede mo magpapakito. Yung isa, gitna lang tayo yung balo lang. Yun ang hanapin mo. Ito, yung 23. Shooter yan. Okay, game ha? Para makatatlong games lahat. Wait lang, wait. Wala pa yung iba. Okay, game. To Borja. To Domingo. 2 points. 12-10. Time remaining 6 minutes 26 seconds. No good by Wade. Cipriano to Miguel to Gel. 2 points, Gel. All 12. Last 6 minutes. Ten seconds. Steal by Miguel. Foul muna daw. Foul muna. Foul muna. Nakuha na naman yun eh. Time remaining 5 minutes 30 seconds. Gel, no good. To Borja. Borja sakto. Sayang. Sagario. Okay, 2 points by Sagario. 14-12. All 14. Wait, no good. Rebound by John. Wow, grabe, lefty shot by Miguel. Two points away. All 16. Okay, line ball. Bigay nila, line ball. Labas muna, labas muna, labas muna. Labas muna. May discussion eh. Score all 16 ha. Last 4 minutes. 14 to shoot. Cipriano, no good. Miguel, 2 points. 16-18. Rebound by Domingo. Domingo, 2 points. All 18, 3 minutes, 20 seconds. Cipriano, 2 points. Call muna daw, call muna. Miguel. To John, ang sakto. Jel, tapos pasa pala yun. 18-20. To Borja. To Wade. 3 points, Wade. 21-20. Miguel, wala, rebound by Domingo. To Sagario. To Borja. Miguel. Hindi pwede na steal. Domingo to Way Blanca. Nice pass by Samarista. 2 points Domingo. 23-20. Miguel, wala. Nakuha ni Oy. Same ball. Nakabulang si number 25. Oops, wala tayong first ball. Sayang. Jel, patay kayo diretso. 3 points by Jel. All 23, 1 minute 5 seconds. Last 58 seconds. Rebound by Cipriano. Last 52 seconds. Lahat na po ng rola may free throw na. 48 seconds, 14 to shoot. John. No good. Nakuha ni Sagario. Last 40 seconds. Tumama. Foul ba? Foul, sipa lang. Okay, dito bola. 3. 33 seconds. Last 24 seconds. No need to foul, just be. Last 18 seconds. Pareho na po ng shot clock yan, ha? Hoy! Time out! Sayang, ang ganda sana nun. Time out daw, time out. Both teams. Dalawa pa ang time out nila, Jel, ha? Isa na lang. Libre na yun, eh. May dalawang time out pa. All 26. Naka-tres yung ano, yung nakapula. Paalala ko ha, walang intentional na pasabit ha, hindi natin tinatanggap yun. 14.1 seconds. Okay ha? Nakakompleto na ba dyan? Game. 10 seconds. 7 seconds. Time out. Team Gel. 28-26. Grabe, kala ko panalo na sila Gel. Pero mahaba pa to ha. 4.7 ha. Grabe yung ginawa ni Borja. Walang kakaba-kaba. 4.7 na 4.7 seconds. .9 seconds, 0.9. And okay. First, pa-jumble na lang po, pa-jumble. First to shoot. Grabe naman nyo. Okay. Hindi, first to shoot lang naman. Overtime. Pa-jumble na nga lang po. Ay, Jay, pwede maki-jumble lang. Jumble lang. Huwag po mataas masyado yung bato. First to shoot yan, ha? First to shoot. First to shoot, ha? First to shoot. Grabe, parang last week, last Wednesday. Puro overtime. Nice by Miguel. Nako, libre. Libre. 2 points by number 25. Sean, diretso kayo. Hindi sila Sean. Kasi may isa doon na, isa lang na ano eh. Okay, game. Diretso kayo, way.